Here it comes, here it comes. Ah, there it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at my little camper. Ah, it's so cute and tiny.
It's got so much character.
Oh no, what is the hole on the side of it?
They didn't show that hole in it.
It looks rougher than I thought it would look. Hopefully those are meant to be there. I don't know what I got myself into. I literally know nothing about fiberglass or campers or even camping. We've never been a camping family, but we'll see. Did I just get catfished by a camper van? It's like a Marx Brothers routine. So far, so good. Are you kidding me?
The trick is you just have to struggle. I'm Rebekah Higgs, and I renovate homes. I didn't really know what I was doing when I started, and sometimes I still don't.
Oh, there's the mummy.
But with the help of my trusty crew,
You're not gonna be overwhelmed.
my loving and patient family,
The heck?
I know I can always get the job done. Life is a never-ending adventure when you're a DIY mom. So I bought a vintage Boler camper van from a family in Quebec to go camping with my daughter this summer. Even though we're not really a camping family, I am thrilled with this purchase and all the surprises that are gonna roll in with it.
Is there a hobbit living in here?
Is it locked?
Oh, where's the key?
He doesn't have one. He's gonna call his boss and see what's going on. Can we undo this?
Yeah. Should we, I could crawl in probably through this hole.
Yeah. Are you sure you won't find him?
Here, hold my phone. I'm gonna crawl in.
She's going in. Oh my goodness.
No key? No problem.
I'm in.
It's pretty dirty in here. Okay, so do you want to come in and see what it's like? Oh, and there's a hole here too.
Oh.
So they've just been letting it be rained in? Should we let's pull all the cushions out so that we can
air them.
How wide is this thing? Oh no, it is stretched out. I can stretch out.
Yeah, you're comfortable?
So far, I'm not seeing anything that a little TLC can't remedy.
I think I'm glad that there's some things still in here, like it's like the table and the benches, and this is like the forms are still here. I'm a little bit like overwhelmed by some of the cracks.
Okay, maybe a lot of TLC.
Excited, Joe?
So yeah, a lot of work, eh? Yeah, I think this is the perfect size for a cube fridge. It looks like that is cut after the fact because they broke through the metal. So.
Maybe they also didn't have a way to get into the trailer.
Maybe.
Extra storage?
Put your suitcases in there.
Oh, what is this?
Yay!
Roof vent.
They left us our present.
Ew, something stinks. Ew, 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 ew!
What is that?
Mouse pee or something. Gross. Is there a dead rat in there?
Ugh.
There's a dead mouse!
Oh, what would an episode of DIY Mom be without a critter cameo?
So the Boler's here, and there's definitely a lot of things I wasn't expecting or anticipating. It's gonna need some body work. We gotta patch the fiberglass and paint it, make it look super cute on the outside, fix the windows, get new covers made for the cushions, get the kitchen set up, paint the inside, make it all sealed and waterproof. So it's a lot of little things in this little camper to make it look as adorable as I want it to look. So the Boler campers were made in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and only 10,000 of them were ever produced and sold. This is gonna be a really cool retro transformation project for me. When I was going through the inside of the Boler to find the pieces that the previous owners left me, I found the original metal Boler signs. And since I'm restoring my Boler as best as possible, I'm gonna take these metal plates and see if I can bring them back to life. I just took the cushions out today and I dropped them off at a reupholsterer foam guy to get new cushions made because they don't smell good. And every time I touched them, I felt really filthy and dirty. So I'll be glad to get fresh cushions in there. What do you think color scheme wise? What should I pick for things? Cushions, fabric, pillows, color scheme?
Just like this.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Pink with a purple door?
Oh, it's a good thing I can always fall back on drawing inspiration from Barbie's color palette.
All right, so do you want to go look at the bowler and go do a little tour?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so first thing we have to do is clean everything.
We're actually doing that.
We have to clean everything and we have to vacuum everything.
But this is electric.
Don't clean the electric stuff. And Mommy will get the vacuum and I
You
will,
want to do it too?
yeah, and I'll vacuum out all the crevices
Yeah.
and all the things.
Mom, I definitely need the spray.
The spray, okay, I'll get you one that's like, doesn't have chemicals in it.
The heck? What's that?
Imagine if this was just your playhouse.
We can put it in a tree.
Put it in a tree.
Yeah, for a tree house. I'm gonna do the whole renovation today.
No, it's gonna take a lot longer than just a day to fix this thing up.
Okay. Wait, is there still water coming out of this?
No, I was gonna hook it up to see if we can get the water to work, like to see what we need to get the water to work.
After inspecting every corner of the bowler and cleaning it out with the help of Lennon, it's time to get this old fella looking like new, starting with the plumbing. And guess who loves plumbing? Oh, Julie!
We're gonna see if we can get it, if we can figure out how it works.
It goes in here. There's some dirt in there though. Needs a new gasket. Okay.
So, should I try?
Ready?
Oh, it's leaking, yeah.
Ooh, you have a working faucet now.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Oh, wow, that really comes out.
Yeah, I can't turn it off though.
You can't turn it off.
Yeah, so it comes out of there. And then this is where you'd put your water source.
Oh,
for,
if you were off
If
grid.
you were, yeah, if you were pumping. Treads are working fine. It's good. Once it pinches a brand new gasket, it won't leak.
Okay, now we should check the electrical.
Yeah.
See what we've got for electric.
There's a compartment to put a battery.
But where do you plug into the, like if we're at a campground?
Yeah, I thought that was the hole for it.
So it must come out
So,
here. It must come out a hole over on that side. Oh wait, here's the box. There
oh
it is.
yeah, there it is.
And then we just need the electrician.
Yeah, because to make sure all those wires are so messy in there that
Yeah.
the plugs are gonna be good.
Oh, this is the other thing I want to do. I want to try to pop off these.
I need like a crowbar. Oh, it's coming off. Oh, there's some spiders in there.
Ashley from AR Palm Free Gel Coat and Composite Repair is here today to take a look at my bowler. I was looking for somebody in the expertise of fiberglass repair, painting, gel coats, things like that, to fix up my bowler. And it turns out a bowler is a lot like a sailboat. So Ashley's actually an expert at repairing boats, and he said that he would come and take a look at my bowler and see what we need to do to get the outside of the bowler looking as good as the inside's gonna look. So if I wanted to change the color on the bottom, it would be just as easy as like trying to fix up the bottom, or?
It might actually be easier.
Okay, because I kind of was thinking like pink on the bottom, because like pink's my
Actually, they
thing.
have a nice pink one down in Mahone Bay. It actually looks really nice.
Ashley likes the pink. These are the hubcaps that came with it.
Okay.
And I've been calling around to see if somebody could like bang them out and like chrome coat them or make them look nice again. So they have that half moon look on them again.
Okay.
But I haven't been able to find anybody that would do that.
It would be easier to sand this down and kind of fill in and get rid of the dent that's there, and
Okay.
then go with a finish over top to give it that look.
Okay.
May as well take a look at the other side.
We can probably fill one of them and then just leave a smaller vent for the fridge, because I don't think we need like a ton of, I don't think we need this much venting.
No, well, if you're not putting the same stuff back in that was originally
just
there.
a fridge. I guess like the owners that I bought this from had started the sandblasting because it had been spray painted.
Oh, that explains that black.
Yeah. Cool. So do you think this is something that you can manage? Like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
it'd definitely be a fun project. I like it. I do.
Yay!
A lot of
So when
people-
can you start?
That we'll have to figure out. I think the Boler is an absolutely amazing project. They've withheld, 50 years of time, and lo and behold, they're still sitting here nice and intact. I'll be interested to see what she does with the inside when she's done.
I can't wait to see what everybody's gonna think when I pull up to the campground in my fancy pink and white Boler. The half moon hubcaps are pretty iconic on the Boler, so I don't want these guys to get thrown out or go to waste. Until I can find a brand new chrome replacement, I'm just gonna shine these up with some sandpaper and see if I can get them powder coated.
Now mind you, this may take 2 to 3 fills before we can get the actual shape, but this is the initial one. So we'll do another fill and build up a little bit higher to continue to round it back out.
Just like magic, this Boler will look like new in no time.
Julie and I went to Home Depot yesterday and we were there for 4 hours getting everything that we need to make the inside of this Boler look cute. So right now I'm gonna start with some caulking. Because the elephant fabric is falling off or coming apart in some places, I'm gonna glue it back with no more nails. And then I'm going to use Dynaflex caulking to fill in the gaps between the seams. And I'm gonna use a technique with a natural sea sponge to give it that look of the same look and texture that the elephant fabric has, because we don't have any of the vinyl tape that you would use for an interior of a Boler. I don't know where to get it. If somebody knows where to get it, you should tell me, but I don't know where to get it. So I'm going to do caulking instead, and I think it'll solve the issue that we're finding inside here, and then we can paint everything white and make it look bright and shiny and brand new. This is working really well. So a lot of the places where there was like big gaps and I was worried if the fabric would lay flat on it, is laying nice and flat now. So I think this was the perfect idea, and I'm almost through 1 tube of it. So it only took me 1 tube of the No More Nails to get all of this reattached. Julie's obsessed with setting up a tarp every day.
It's just so hot when you're in the sun all day.
It's true. Hey.
How's it going?
Good. Is there something that you wanted to tell me?
Underneath that duct tape, you know how we thought there was no leaks?
Yeah.
See right here, the whole top of the camper is actually split.
Oh.
So what we're going to need to do to fix that is we're going to have to open it up on the inside and pull down that piece of insulation and glass it from behind, and then fix the outside. So it'll give
Okay.
strength.
So how much delay are we going to be because of that?
I'd say that day,
Not out of day.
just because of cure.
Oh no. Oh boy. Okay.
And just like that, the Boler throws in the sneak attack. Ugh, I hope this doesn't ruin our camping plans.
I guess everything was a little too good to be true, because there is some work that needs to be done on the fiberglass to keep it from leaking. But it's a good thing that we discovered it now, because if we painted it and refinished the interior and then had to rip it apart to do some fiberglass patching, that wouldn't be good. So it is what it is. It's a 1973 Boler. I mean, what do you expect?
Don't go anywhere, because the final episode of DIY Mom Season 5 is coming up right now, and you can find out if this Boler restoration will in fact pull through for my weekend getaway plans.
This one's so cute. Look at the little cactuses. Oh, is this your hammock? Did you make the hammock? What did you say? You said your trailer's gonna be better than mine because yours has a hammock?
Yeah.
What you gonna do when the rain is